Hello everybody, Bongga Best, lovely Sandy Chavez, the Queen of Art in America. So everyone in Jacksonville, Florida, USA, and everywhere who watch me, this is my gown that I've been collecting since years. And I just worn one time or two times now since they're just sitting in my closet. So might as well I'll go ahead and sell it for the good cause. That way, whatever money I can make here, I will be able to help less fortunate around Luzon, Visaya, Mindanao, Philippines. So please, you can have it, Bongga Best. Good luck, everybody! Mabuhay pa! Salamat! God bless you. Thank you.